Modern technologies of diagnosis and treatment of living cells. Bioelectric and bioelectromagnetic fundamental principles of cellular poles. Vital activities of a living organism depend on the collective performances of billions of cells. The collective performance of the cells also depends on the formation of different clusters of cells in an interrelating structure. The bioelectromagnetic field of cellular poles is the main cause of the formation of well-organized cellular clusters. Each cellular set has a precise structure of the bioelectromagnetic field of the cellular poles. This exact structure puts the cells next to each other according to their tasks. In other words, the exact collective activities of the cells are due to orderly cellular rows, which themselves are produced by the bioelectromagnetic balance of the cellular poles. The bioelectromagnetic field of cellular poles is defined by all components of the cell, which produces bioelectromagnetic waves. To be clear, each component of intracellular organs produces the bioelectromagnetic filaments, and a complex of them produces the main bioelectromagnetic field of the cellular poles. The bioelectromagnetic fields of the cellular poles are managed by the centrioles. If bioelectromagnetic field of the cellular poles is quite balanced in terms of volume and rate, and quite opposite in terms of polarity while resting, a perfect balance will be created in this section. For example, if the bioelectromagnetic field of the cell's one pole is -10 nanogauss, the bioelectromagnetic field of the other pole should be +10 nanogauss. Then the perfect balance will be restored. If there is net balance in this section, collective cellular activities will be quite accurate and organized. The automatic control system of the cell all the time creates balance and maintains it. If the permanent effect of internal and external unbalancing factors is more than the cellular balance capacity, the bioelectromagnetic imbalance of the cellular poles will be gradually created. It seems the cellular poles inequities cause nearly 20% of relatively severe and modern diseases. It was mentioned before that the bioelectromagnetic field of cellular poles should be completely equal in terms of volume and amount, and completely opposite in terms of polarity in order to create a perfect balance in this section. If the effect of internal and external inequity factors is more than the cell's balance capacity, the bioelectromagnetic imbalance in the cellular poles will be gradually created. Different kinds of such inequities are as follows. A. Positive bioelectromagnetic inequity. In this form of inequity, if the north pole of the cell has a -10 nanogauss charge, the south pole will have more than +10 nanogauss. B. Negative bioelectromagnetic inequity. In this form of inequity, if the north pole of the cell has a -10 nanogauss charge, the south pole will have less than +10 nanogauss. C. Reverse bioelectromagnetic inequity. In this form of inequity, the north pole that should have negative charge has positive charge, and the south pole that should have positive charge will become negative. D. Negative asymmetric bioelectromagnetic inequity. In this form of inequity, the two ends of the cell have similar polarity, that is, the north pole. E. Positive asymmetric bioelectromagnetic inequity. In this form of inequity, the two ends of the cell have similar polarity, that is, the south pole. The whole cellular Pearl's inequity can be derived from Pearl's inequity of each of cellular internal organs. It seems the cellular Pearl's inequities cause nearly 20% of relatively severe and modern diseases that include brain and nerve diseases, as well as hardening of the arteries.